Hey y'all, this your girl. That's Renna. Corny, I know, but this is how we are here. And today we got a makeup review. Makeup, time to get right. Period. So here we start off with the glasses off, and now I'm about to go in with some face paint. No eyeliner. I don't really know what it's called, but hey, it's supposed to make the thing darker, make your eyebrows darker. So we coming in right here, you could get this from all the good stuff, JC Penney's, what else? TJ Maxx, all type of stuff. But yeah, here we go. Eyeliner, boom, make it thicker. Man, it's a long process, but hey, now we got the right side. That left side took 8 minutes, y'all. It took 8 minutes. Now we starting off with the brush. I don't know what the brush is for. I guess it's to spread the stuff around. Make it thicker. Okay. Now this the face paint. So we're going with the face paint. This is to get rid of the blemishes. Because, I ain't gonna lie. I told her not to eat all that candy, but she been eating a lot of candy lately. So she trying to cover the blemishes. But hey. So now we got this face paint, but we start with the eyes first. Okay. She focuses on this eye part. I'm telling you, fellas, watch out. When they do the eyes like this, they trying to get that seductive look. But hey, so face paint, eye part. I'm just watching in amazement. I'm sorry, I was just beautiful. But anyway, staying with the goodness gracious, it's not wonder she take forever.
I don't take forever.
No, but anyway, still with the eyes. Okay, this how they get rid of. You see this fella? This how they get rid of the wrinkles in the forehead, all that. The eyeshadow, the eye paint. I don't know what none of this stuff is called, but cocoa butter. Okay. Gotta moisturize the face.
Cocoa butter.
Gotta moisturize the face. Damn. I'm just in the meeting. I gotta go through all of this. But anyway. So this is the third part. Excuse me, y'all. If y'all here, I got some indigestion. But okay. Now this is the face paint. So what the hell was the first thing? That must have been the mascara. My bad, everybody. That was the mascara. So we start off with the mascara, then the brow stuff. Now we got the face paint. And this to blend everything in, blend the colors and make everything pop, bring it together. Yup. I'm on to y'all.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I see what y'all do. Okay, coming together. You gotta use the brush, ladies. You gotta use the brush to spread it all around. Make it an even tone, see? Okay, the Pro Conceal. I've never even seen that before.
The Pro Conceal?
I'm guessing this is to conceal the moisture in your face. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. This coming together real nice. Ladies, and you gotta start from the top and then work your way. Actually, don't listen to me. I don't know what she just did. I'm invaded myself. I'm like, this something new. But anyway, okay. The face paint. Let's see how long it's gonna last with the face paint.
What I'm using? What is this thing I'm using?
Brillo pad. Okay. Now what is this? Oh, this is lotion. No, this ain't no lotion. What is this? I know it's cold. Yeah, I know it's cold. This must be to make, I don't know, to cover the bags under the eyes or something. I don't know.
His face powder.
Okay, now we get to the lip liner.
Well, you do that off the top.
You gotta make the lips pop. This brings attention to the lips, the luscious lips. I don't know why she put all this makeup on just to get it smeared later, but okay, now this the lip balm. This the lip balm right here. It's all a process. It's all a process. You know what they say, y'all.
What they say?
I don't know. I was about to. I had the wrong words. I was about to say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But
Damn.
That was the wrong thing.
Yeah, it was.
Beauty is
What's that?
It takes a lot to look. Oh, that's the
What's that?
That's the eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
That's the eyelash brush.
Okay.
Just to make your eyelash curl.
Okay.
This is what Usher was using in the My Way video. Oh, look at that. This make the cheeks pop. But this is mascara again.
Okay. This is mascara again?
Yeah.
Okay, honey.
I got all of this.
Okay. You confident about that
Nah,
mascara?
that is a I don't know. I don't know what the hell that is. It must be a toner or something. Now here y'all go with the lashes. Gotta put the lashes on, period. Yo, now I see why she takes so long.
Stop lying. I do not take long.
Now I see why she takes so long. Wait, now, gotta put the lashes on. Gotta put the lashes. Oh, got the lashes on.
That was a sound effect.
Yup. I gotta comb the hair. You gotta keep it big pimpin'. Big pimpin', spinning G. Ooh.
Babe. Stop it.
Hot fire. like sizzling steaks.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God, oh my goodness. See? Look at that. Look at that. Look at them shoulders. Look at the shoulders. Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.